Happy Saturday evening. So I'm here, I'm with Ben, IQ Solutions. He's working on my Skyvac motor. Had some dust in there and I was worried. And this is the guy, the IQ 165. He can fix anything. Trust me. He's not out on the river because there's no water. But he's got this beautiful bass boat right here. So this is what it looks like. We were missing a bushing on one of the, what was it, motors?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I guess they didn't have great quality control. Quite disappointing. It's the generator right here, 20 amps. We got the Predator. It's the high-tech Skyvac 85 with the carbon fiber poles. Yeah, I could probably clean these rain gutters sitting in a wheelchair. Electric one, that is.